Hi everyone, I'd like to give a brief introduction of Inclino Robot, the new generation of geological instruments for measuring inclination. The fundamental concept of Inclino Robot to take measurements of inclination is of no difference from IPI. If you have been using IPI and SAA for measuring, Inclino Robot can be a complete replacement. However, Inclino Robot is a revolutionary advancement that may perfectly replace the traditional inclinometers such as IPI or SAA. One single operator is capable to handle all processes to install Inclino Robot. And once set up, Inclino Robot can run fully automatically to measure and output data of inclination without any supervisors at site, saving time, work, and up to 70% of costs. Protocol is available to facilitate the integration of data output from Inclino Robot with any existing data management system. Please don't hesitate to contact us for any inquiries. We are at your disposal to answer any questions from you.